Hey friends, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm sharing my first ever Temu haul. If you haven't heard of Temu before, it is an online marketplace that's very popular and it has a bunch of cost-effective items. I will show you here their website. They have a wonderful app that's very user-friendly where you can find just about anything. You can find home decor, organization, bathroom organization, kitchen gadgets, all sorts of things. Just whatever you can think of, they have it. So I'm excited because they reached out to me to partner with them on this video. And I wanted to give you my honest opinion on these items and kind of show you how I use them throughout my home. And in this video, I'm particularly going to be showing you things that are for the home, like kitchen specifically and some other home items. I'm really excited to share that with you. And also, don't forget that I will have a code in the description box and here below on the screen where you can get 30% off your order and free shipping. I made a few orders myself before I shared this video with you because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just things that they were sending me that was like their best things and that, you know, if you were a regular customer, you wouldn't get the same value. But I will say that I've made about 3 orders on my own account. You know, my husband did one and I did 2 others, and they take about 10 or so days to ship. And the shipping is a little weird in the sense that you don't get like daily updates or something like that. It's not like when they deliver, you know, with the post office or something where you get like an update with every single location because it is coming from overseas. So there is that little bit of a disadvantage. But you know, once it's here in the States, you get that tracking info and everything is packaged well. The items that I did order are for like my nails and things like that. And I thought they were great. Like I could have ordered them online on another retailer, wink, wink, if you know. And it's the same exact thing. Same exact thing. It just took a little longer to get here, but it was so much cheaper. So definitely recommend Temu to you guys. And it is fun. You can sign up for their emails and their text messages, but beware, they will kind of flood you with text messages and emails just trying to get you to buy. And so there is that, but they do offer a lot of like coupons and things like that. So, you know, it's a little give and take, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. I want to show you each item and how I used it in my home. First up is this strawberry slicer. My kids love strawberries, so I thought I'd give them a little fancy way to eat them, like when I'm making them pancakes and things like that. Caleb did drop this on the floor, so it was broken, but it works. Still works, and you get these pretty strawberry slices. Next up is this bag holder for your Ziploc bags. I love putting all of my, I buy bulk meat and then I put it in a Ziploc bag, but I hate that I have to get my hands all dirty, and this eliminates that. I'm able to hold open my Ziploc bag and not worry about it spilling over or anything, and I'm able to freeze all of my meats this way and keep them nice and clean. This pot lid rack is one of my favorites. I use this when I'm cooking. I rest the lids for my pots on here, and this pot is pretty heavy and it holds it up no problem. And whatever utensil I'm using to cook with, I can also use the rest over here on this side to keep my counters nice and clean. If you have an air fryer, you do not want to miss out on these disposable liners. They're made with parchment paper and make it very easy for you to clean up your air fryer. I am so going to be ordering these from now on. This magnetic microwave splash-proof lid is amazing. I love that you can put it on top of your microwave. It's out of the way when you're not using it, and it helps keep your microwave clean from all the splashes and the messes that can come with microwaving. Speaking of microwave messes, if you do have some messes to clean up, this angry lady or angry mom microwave cleaner works so well. You just add some vinegar and some water to the mixture, and you put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and it makes it so that it's very nice and steamy in your microwave, and the grime just comes off so easily. No scrubbing was needed. All I had to do is just wipe it down gently and all of the grime came off. This was a total win. Next is this home appliance wire sorter. I've been looking at these for a while now, and I really needed one for my Instant Pot. I was able to just wind the cord up around this and keep it nice and clean so I don't have any more wires hanging around. This silicone stove gap cover keeps that gap in between your countertops and stove nice and clean and free of crumbs. You can also trim it to size. This stainless steel round wheel cutter with lid makes slicing your pizza so much easier. I like this so much better than your traditional pizza cutter, and it stores easily, and with the lid it keeps it nice and guarded from little hands. I love my icy drinks, and these reusable metal drinking straws make it so much more fun. They come with their little pouch and their little cleaning brush. This next item is probably my favorite one. It's this 13-in-1 food chopper, kitchen vegetable chopper. I love this thing. It makes chopping up veggies, potatoes, all sorts of things so much easier. I wanted to show you how I used it here to slice up some potatoes to make potato chips, and I was able to cube them as well. There's so many different options. It even has like an egg yolk separator and just a lot of different options for all of your vegetables. It makes it so much easier. I cry every single time I chop onions, and so this helps with that. So far I've cut up tomato, bell peppers, onions, potatoes, and more with this vegetable chopper, and I just love it. Totally recommend. Next are these microfiber cleaning cloths. These have quickly become one of my favorites to ever use in the kitchen. They are so soft, they're fluffy. Even after you wash them, they're nice and fluffy and soft, and I think they're the perfect size. I believe they're a 12 by 12, and they clean up really well. Totally recommend these. On to more cleaning with this electric cleaning brush with 5 brush heads. I like this little handheld brush cleaner. It has the 5 different attachments. I demonstrated here how I used it to clean my stovetop. I would say the only con to this is that they don't have the replacement heads, so once you're done using them, they're kind of not reusable anymore. So a lot of them can be reused over and over again, but some of them will wear down after some time. Also keep in mind that it's not a heavy duty scrubber. Some of you may know that I do cut my boys' hair at home, so these apron hair cutting capes are amazing to keep the mess at bay. Here I am cutting Lucas's hair, and as you can see, none of the hair falls on the floor. It all falls inside this cape, and it comes in 2 different sizes for little ones and for adults. When cutting hair, I love this continuous spray bottle to be able to wet down their hair. It just nicely mists over their hair, so there's not like dripping wet water all over your kid's face. And also for hair cutting, I have this trimmer here that I got. It is a USB chargeable, which is nice, so it's wireless. And I love going around all the edges with this, kind of like it's a T-blade. I really like it. It's very convenient and it gives me a nice clean cut. This is also the perfect size to trim around the ears and your sideburns. Next, we're moving on to a little bit of home decor here, starting with these artificial peony bouquets. I think these are beautiful. I use them to decorate for spring. And I will say they are smaller than I thought they would be. I also ordered some of these artificial roses. Again, very beautiful, but a lot smaller. And they also do have a little bit of a strong smell when you open the package, but it does dissipate over time. I was so excited to order this electric candle lighter. It's USB chargeable. I used it in my last video as well. And I just love that this will never go out. I don't have to keep on replacing it like I do with my other lighters. And it just does a really good job. All right, my friends, that concludes today's Temu haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video and were able to get some ideas for shopping on the Temu app. Make sure that you check out the link in my description box so that you can get a discount code and also just a link to all the items that I have in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!